My client's been in custody, whether through a state hospital, sitting back and forth in Bexar County since September 30th of 2019, which is almost 5 years.
All right.
I agree.
All right, court is calling 2019 CR 13785, State of Texas versus Jose Tamayo. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Hallie Jackson.
Defense.
Mark McKay.
And are you Mr. Tamayo?
Yes, ma'am.
LaShawn, there are no applications.
Thank
No.
you.
Counsel, did you receive all of the discovery and did you review it with your client?
Yes, I have, Your Honor.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Tamayo, did you review the document entitled True Bill of Indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
I do, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Tamayo, did you review the document entitled Court Admonishments and Defendant's Waivers and Affidavit of Admonitions with your attorney? Did
Yes,
you
ma'am.
understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
And did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand you're charged with aggravated assault with a deadly weapon? That's a second-degree felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 20 years in prison and up to $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call and the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand by entering this plea bargain agreement, you were giving up those rights?
Yes, ma'am.
And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, he has, Your Honor.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
He does, Your Honor.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
I believe he is competent now. A question of sanity has come up. However, it's my understanding that's an affirmative defense and my client does not wish to pursue that at this moment.
All right. Mr. Tamayo, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter the plea?
No, ma'am.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, ma'am.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
According to the plea, punishment is to be assessed at 6 years in the prison. There are no applications. There's an affirmative finding of family violence. With an affirmative finding of family violence, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or be designated as primary custodial parent. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you also understand that if the court were to find that there was a deadly weapon involved, the court will enter an affirmative finding of deadly weapon?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that to be the entirety of your plea?
Yes, ma'am.
Defense, is that the plea?
It is, Judge.
State, is that the plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in both places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have there been any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Then to the offenses charged, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
State any evidence.
It also states Exhibit 1 with all attachments.
We have no objections to that, Your Honor.
Mr. Tamayo, did you review the document entitled, and state you may be excused?
Thank you, Judge.
Mr. Tamayo, did you review the document entitled Waiver and Consent to Stipulation of Testimony and Stipulations with your attorney?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate
Yes,
places?
ma'am.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there will be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that the defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments, and the court will review the same. All right, after reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
No, Your Honor, we just asked the court to follow the plea agreement and also recognize the fact that my client's been in custody, whether through a state hospital, sitting back and forth in Bear County since September 30th of 2019, which is almost 5 years.
All right. The court then will find you guilty. The court is finding an affirmative finding of deadly weapon, sentence you to 6 years in the prison, give you credit for any time served. There's an affirmative finding of family violence. There's been no contact with Jose Tamayo Sanchez and Rebecca Tamayo. And I will request the mental health unit in the therapeutic community. It won't increase the time that you've been in custody, but it will help you if they accept you into the program. So you'll still have to request it. I can't order it. Do you understand? And I'll give him credit for the time that he's been in custody and the time that he's been in the state hospital.
Thank you, Judge. I appreciate it.
All right, and the court will note for the record, defendant has been in custody since September 30th, 2019.
That's my understanding.
All right, is there anything else with regards to sentencing?
No, Your Honor. Thank you.
All right, Mr. Tamayo, did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Because this is a plea bargaining agreement, because I followed your plea bargaining agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is an affirmative finding of family violence, and also because it's a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes,
All right, we can go off the record. So I understand that you have mental health issues, but you're gonna have to make sure that you stay on your medications. A lot of times, people will go off their medications because they're feeling great or because they have side effects. If you don't let the doctor know that you have side effects with medication, they won't know. So if you tell them, they may be able to give you a different medication or something that can help you. When you're released from prison, if something happens and you're not allowed to find a place to go, if I'm still here, I'll be able to direct you to a place, okay? All right, good luck to you.
Thank you.